Happy Wednesday. Do you guys run or recommend wheel stud conversion kits, considering one on a B9.5 SQ5? Absolutely. We love wheel stud conversion kits on any car that I drive. It's one of the first mods that I do. It makes swapping wheels way easier. Also allows adding different spacers on and off to be very easy as well. Unlike wheel bolts that have to be a really specific length, they can't be too long and they can't be too short. The studs can be as long as you want. I mean, they can stick out as far as you want in reality. But like on a track car where you may be throwing on different wheels and different spacers, you can just put our 75 mil 3-inch long studs on, and you're never gonna have to worry about wheel bolts or anything. You just makes it easy to slide the wheel on. So definitely recommend it. If you want to get the fit just right, then calculate your total stack thickness, including the spacers. And we also offer a 55 and a 65, so you can get it fitting real nice and flush.
But yeah, in general, I think every development vehicle we have here has a stud conversion on it. Like Joel said, it's one of the first things we do, just because we're often changing wheel, tire, brake packages quite a bit as we're testing, and it's just a lot quicker and easier.